Hey you guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and the Single Guy with me, your very own Amaru. So on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, which happens to be a requested video, I am going to show you how I make my chicken satay. Okay? So without further ado, let us continue. Okay you guys, so what I have here are my 2 chicken breasts, and what I'm going to do next, I am going to cube them into nice little cubes, not too small and not too large. And there we have it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is perfectly cubed chicken for this recipe. Alright? Alright, let's continue. Okay you guys, so now we're gonna season the chicken, and we are going to season the chicken with some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you so desire. We're also gonna add some salt, a little bit of black pepper, and what I'm also going to add is this aromatic ginger. This is what it looks like. Let me show you. See? And this thing is very, very pungent, so you only need 1 or 2 of these slices. Alright, so I'm going to add 2 of them. And it also comes in a powder, but the powder is so much more pungent, okay? I'm going to add just a little bit of the powder. There we go. A little goes a long way, you guys. Trust me. So now we're going to give this a good stir. So next what I'm going to add to mine is a little bit of galangal root powder. And what I also like to add to mine is just a little bit of sweet soy sauce. Alright? Just a little bit. There we go. Now we're going to give this another stir, just like so. So this is looking good. This is smelling good. So next what we're going to do, we're going to prepare the skewers. So now what we're going to do, we are going to prepare our skewers. Before you use the bamboo skewers, you want to soak them in water, and that is going to prevent them from burning when you grill the satays. Alright? Let's continue. Okay you guys, so this is how it goes. You pick up your skewer, and then you simply attach the meat to the skewer, just like that. Right? Nice and easy. And 3 to 4 pieces of chicken is more than sufficient. And this is what you want. This is what you're looking for. Alright? So I'm going to finish doing the rest, and then we're going to refrigerate these, allow them to marinate for about a half an hour. Okay you guys, so it is day number 2 of our chicken satay making process. I have allowed them to marinate overnight. And this is what they look like. Baby, when I tell you, they smell delicious. Do you see the aromatic ginger right here? Oh, that thing is so good. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to put these on the grill. So this is my grill pan, and if you have an actual grill, you can go ahead and use that. To the pan, we're going to add a droplet of oil, just like so. And you're going to move the oil around a little bit. There we go. And next, you're going to place your chicken satay in the pan. Just like that. And you want to grill them on both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now you guys, while they're cooking, you want to turn them a couple of times. There we go. And I think these look done to me. Yes, they do. And now for the final presentation. Here we go. There. Now, you can serve your chicken satay with some of this spicy hot sauce. I have a recipe for this on my channel. Or you can use some spicy peanut sauce. Alright? We're going to do 2 variations, and we're going to start with the peanut sauce. Here we go. And we're going to sprinkle some of this spicy soy sauce on top of this batch. I hope it doesn't drip to the side of the plate. And as I always tell you, color makes everything a little prettier. There we go. Doesn't this look pretty? Oh, but it does. And I know how some of you like it when I eat on camera. I hate it. I have one of them right here. Baby, when I tell you. Now, if you decide to try my chicken satay recipe, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always interested in hearing from you. You're not supposed to be speaking with a full mouth. But anyways, it is what it is. If you decide to try this one, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, happy satay eating, and until we meet again, bye!